Welcome to the Misha Wilson Show, where we show you how to create massive success online so you can enjoy the lifestyle of your wildest dreams. Have you ever wondered what the best process is for a beginner to follow to make a full-time income online with Clickbank? If so, watch today's video until the very end, because in this video, I'm gonna share with you the simple process that a total internet newbie can use, even if you have zero sales, marketing, or technical experience, to make a full-time income leveraging Clickbank. Hey, my name is Misha Wilson, and if this is the first video you're watching of me, over the last few years, I've done over $10 million in sales online. And the core thing that I've taught is affiliate marketing, which really Clickbank revolves around. And within this video, I'm gonna share with you the best process for a total newbie to absolutely crush it. With that said, let's go ahead and dive right in. All right, here we are. So the first thing I wanna go ahead and do is kind of cover what Clickbank is. So if you're unfamiliar with Clickbank, Clickbank very simply is a marketplace. You can grab products to go ahead and promote as an affiliate. I'm assuming that you know what affiliate marketing is. If you don't, affiliate marketing very simply is selling someone else's product to go ahead and earn a commission. You sell the product sells for $100. You can make $50 if it's a 50% commission, $75 if it's a 75% commission, and so on and so forth. So Clickbank is a marketplace that you can go ahead and go to in order to go ahead and find offers to promote, that when you go ahead and promote, you can earn commissions just like this. As you can see, this is just a little side portion of our business. And as you can see, we're earning $165, $304, $397, $502 a day, $645 a day, leveraging Clickbank and selling products on Clickbank. So this is very real, very doable if you know specifically what you're doing. All right, so the first step in going ahead and using Clickbank most effectively is firstly choosing the right market. If you choose the wrong market, you're not gonna make any sales no matter what you do. And if you choose the right market, it can be really easy to make a lot of sales, even if you make a lot of mistakes. So the first step is to choose the right market. Now, the three criteria that I look for in a market when going ahead and getting into it are these. Firstly, you want a market that is great in numbers. Secondly, you want a market that is irrationally passionate. And third, you want a market that's easily reachable. All right, so great numbers, a lot of people, irrationally passionate, very excited about the topic, and they want to learn everything they can possibly learn on the actual topic, and then easily reachable. So once we know what market we need to go ahead and target or want to target, we need to be able to put an ad in front of that market so that we can go ahead and make a sale of the product that we're going ahead and promoting. So once we go ahead and choose our market, once we find our market that's great in numbers, irrationally passionate, and easily reachable, what we want to go ahead and do is come over here to the Clickbank Marketplace, click this link, and it'll take us right over to a page that looks just like this. As you can see, we have all the different options for all the different markets: arts and entertainment, as seen on TV, betting systems, business investing, computers, internet, cooking, food and wine, education, internet marketing, employment and jobs, fiction, games. We have so many different markets, all right? So a few examples of markets that can do really well: obviously health and wellness. You know, people always want to be healthier, they want to look better, they want to have, you know, a higher status for the opposite sex, they want to attract the opposite sex more. Once again, health and wellness can work really well. People always want to make more money. People always, you know, even if they have money, they want to make more money. If they don't have money, they definitely want to make more money. So e-business, e-marketing, the make money online market can be really powerful. And the third kind of big market tends to be the dating market, all right? The love market. So wealth, once again, health, and love are kind of the three big markets. For this example, I'm gonna say, let's say that we chose to use e-business and e-marketing. So the first step, once again, is to select the market that you wanna go ahead and target, find a market that's great numbers, irrationally passionate, and easily reachable, and then go ahead and come into Clickbank. You can sign up on clickbank.com. I didn't show you that step, but if you just come here, click this sign up button, you'll get an account, you'll come to the back office, it'll look slightly different because you won't have the commissions quite yet. But then from there, you can come right over here, choose the market like I just showed you, And then you'll be shown all of the various offers that you can go ahead and promote. So once you choose the actual market, you need to choose the offer. This is the offer that you're going to send traffic to, website visitors, that when someone goes ahead and buys, you'll go ahead and earn a commission. Now, this is one of the critical, most important steps in this process. What you want to go ahead and sort by is something called gravity. All right, this is Clickbank's secret proprietary, AI-based algorithm that essentially shows you how well an offer is doing for a variety of a bunch of different affiliates. And that's the key, because we don't want to promote an offer that's just doing well for one affiliate or two affiliates. We want to choose an offer that's most likely to do really well in our market based on the fact that a bunch of people are having success with it. And I understand that might be a little bit contradictory, because you might be thinking, God, I want to promote an offer that no one else is promoting, so there's no competition. But the truth is that competition is actually a good thing, because competition shows us that people are making money. So what we want to do is we want to choose a competitive offer, actually promote that same competitive offer, and then just do stuff a little bit better and differently than other affiliates in order to go ahead and beat those other affiliates to make more sales. So once we go ahead and sort by gravity, you'll see all of the highest converting offers in our specific marketplace that we're going ahead and promoting based once again on gravity. So from there, you would very simply go ahead and choose a few of these different offers. Now, what I like to do personally is I like to go through the offer, I like to go through the product, I like to check it out. I like to make sure that what I'm actually promoting is a high quality product and actually help someone if they go ahead and do it. But with that said, what we want to do is we want to choose about 3 or 4, maybe 5 different products from this first page. And what we want to do is we want to put them all on a link rotator. Now, if you don't know how to do that, maybe I'll create another video to show you how to do that. Let me know in the comments section below if you'd like me to create that video. And as always, let me know what your biggest takeaway was, and let me know if you're getting value out of this video in the comments below. But with that said, we're going to take 3, 4, maybe 5 offers and put them on a link rotator. From there, we're going to send traffic to that link rotator, and very simply, we're going to see which offers do best for us. So we're not going to judge, and say, oh, this is the one offer that I want to promote because I like the sales page more. This is the one offer that I'm going to promote because I like the coloring on the page more. This is the one offer that I want to promote because it's talking about a cool loophole using Netflix, right? And I know the owner of that offer is an awesome guy. But with that said, what we want to do is we want to choose 3, 4, 5 different offers, promote the 3 or 4 or 5 different offers. And then what we want to do is we want to look at the actual earnings per click when we go ahead and send to specific offers. So without getting too much in the weeds, the very easy way to do this is to very simply track how many clicks you're sending to an offer and then look at how much commissions it goes ahead and generates. So as an example, let's say you send 100 clicks to an offer and you make $100 in commissions. Well, that's a $1 EPC, earnings per click. All right, so you sent 100 clicks and you made $100, therefore you earned a $1 EPC. Maybe you went ahead and sent, once again, 100 clicks, you made $50, that's then a 50-cent EPC. Maybe if you made $40, it's the 40-cent EPC, etc. So the last step, or the third step that you want to do, is after you've selected your market, then once again you've selected your product based on gravity score, then you've gone ahead and once again chose 4 or 5 different products that are similar to that top highest performing product based on gravity score. You're sending all your traffic to your link rotator. You want to look at the EPC results of all of the various offers and very simply see which one is giving you the highest EPCs. So if you send the same traffic to 5 different offers and one offer gets a $1 EPC, so you're earning $1 per click, and the other offers get 20-cent EPCs, well, what we then want to do is we want to send all of our traffic to that one offer so that once again, every single click that we send goes farther and we're then earning $1 EPCs. All right, so that's the next step. Then the final step, if you want to make a full-time income with Clickbank, is to very simply do some simple mathematics. All right, so once we know the highest converting offers, 1, 2, maybe 3 offers are getting us, let's say, $1, 90 cent, and 95-cent EPCs, what we want to do is we want to reverse engineer. And for the sake of simplicity, let's just say that, we need to make $5,000 a month to make a full-time income on Clickbank, and we're earning $1 per click. We then know that we need to go ahead and drive 5,000 clicks per month to our actual offers to earn a full-time income. Now, there might be some costs. Maybe we're paying for traffic. Maybe we're earning $1 EPCs, but we only have a 50% profit margin. Then we know that we need to make $5,000 per month to make a full-time income. So what we need to do is send 10,000 clicks so we make $10,000 in commissions with a 50% profit margin so that we can earn $5,000 in commissions take home, which at the end of the day equals a full-time income. Now, obviously the big thing that's gonna hold you back is if you don't know how to drive traffic to your actual offers. And at the very end of this video, I'm gonna go ahead and share with you a free video that's gonna show you how to drive traffic to your offers so that you can make more sales and do it very easily. But with that said, just to recap, the critical things to look for is firstly, choose the right market. Great numbers, irrationally passionate, and easily reachable. Choose the right offers in that actual market based on the gravity scores, all right? Then from there, choose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different offers instead of just choosing one offer. Set them up on a link rotator, send a bunch of clicks to that link rotator, look at which offer has the best EPC or earnings per click. Then from there, we're gonna send all of our traffic to that one offer. Then we're gonna do some simple mathematics. We're gonna back out and reverse engineer how much we need to make in order to go ahead and generate a full-time income. Then we're gonna send, once again, traffic to those offers. If we need to send 10,000 clicks, we're gonna send 10,000 clicks per month if we have a 50% profit margin, and we need to make $5,000 per month. Just like that, you've created a full-time income leveraging Clickbank. And as you see, this is very real. These are our real-time results. Today, Sunday, August 2nd, as of shooting this video, we made $276. Yesterday, $105. The day before that, $645. We were promoting other offers on a different network for this period of time. Once again, when we promote, we make sales, and I follow this exact same specific method and process that I just went ahead and shared with you today. So with that said, if you got some value, please go ahead, let me know in the comment section below what your biggest takeaway was from this video. I love reading every single comment, and I try to reply to each and every single one. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button notification, hit that bell icon notification so you're notified when I do more videos just like this one. And like I mentioned a moment ago, check out this video right here for 2 free gifts, one of which is gonna show you how to get the best, highest quality traffic that converts into leads and sales in your business. And if you're brand new to affiliate marketing, you really wanna learn how to take it to the next level, check out this video where I'll show you how to set up an affiliate sales funnel for Clickbank to really take your earning potential up a notch. With that said, hope you got a ton of value. Let me know what your biggest takeaway was. Hit that subscribe and bell icon notification. And with that said, I'll see you in the next video.